Today I shall start exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Find the sum of the following AP, where the AP is given 2, 7, 12 and 2 10 terms. Okay. Now here A equal to 2, A means A1, A2 equal to 7 and this is 10, that is N equal to 10. Now you take out D, common difference, A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 2, 5. Now this is the sum of the n terms formula. So Sn equal, you write the formula at first. Sn equal to means sum of the n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now in place of n you write 10 because 10 is given. S10 equal to 10 by 2 into 2 I have put here the values of a and d. 2 and n means 10 minus 1 into 5. Okay. Now after calculation 10 by 2 5, here 2 are 4 and here 9 into 5 45. 45 plus 4 49. So 5 into 49, answer is 245. Okay. Now second question, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, 2 12 terms. Same math. A1 equal to minus 37, A2 equal to minus 33 and N equal to 12. These are given. And you take out D equal to A2 minus A1, minus 33 minus 37. In this case, where digits are negative, so always use bracket. Okay. Now minus plus here. So 37 minus 33, 4. So Sn equal to same formula, sum of the n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put the value of n, a and d. Okay. Now I have put the values. Now 12 by 2, 6. 2 into 37 minus 74. 12 minus 1, 11 and 11 into 4, 44. So 6 into minus 30 because 74 is greater and before 74 there is minus sign. Okay. Now after multiplication we get S12 equal to minus 180. Okay. Now proceed next question. Now listen, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 to 100 terms. Okay. Same math. A1 equal to 0.6, A2 equal to 1.7 and N equal to 100. These are given. So take out D, which is A2 minus A1. That is 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. Now I have written the formula Sn, that is sum of the n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S100 equal to 100 by 2 into 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into 1.1. I have put only the values. So 100 by 2, 50 and this is 1.2 and here 100 minus 1, 99. 99 into 1.1, 108.9. Okay. Now 50 into, after addition you will get 110.1 and after multiplication you will get 5505. Okay. Now proceed next question. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 to 11 terms. So A1 equal to 1 by 15, A2 equal to 1 by 12 and N equal to 11. These are given. So find D equal to A2 minus A1. So 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. And 12 and 15 LCM is 60. So 12 5 ja 60 and 15 4 ja 60. So this is 1 by 60. Now I have written the formula Sn. Sn means sum of the n terms. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I have put only the values. So 11 by 2 here, 2 into 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into 1 by 60. Now 11 by 2, 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1, 10. 10 into 1 by 60. Here 0, 0 cancel. So 1 by 6 I have written. Now 11 by 2 into 15 and 6. LCM is 30. So 15 2 ja 30 and 2 2 ja 4 and 6 5 ja 30 and 5 1 ja 5. So I have written here 11 by 2 into 9 by 30. After multiplication we will get 99 by 60 and both are divisible by 3. So dividing by 3 we get 33 by 20. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Find the sum 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 to 84. Means 84 is the last term, that is an. A1 is 7, A2 is 10 and half, that is 21 by 2 and an equal to 84. In this question n is not given. So at first we take out the value of n. Okay. Now at first d equal to A2 minus A1, that is 21 by 2 minus 7, that is 7 by 2. Okay. And an equal to 84. Okay. Now write the general formula of an, which is a1 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 84. Now put the values of a1 and d. Okay. Then n minus 1 into 7 by 2 equal to 84 minus 7, which will be 77. And 77 is divisible by 7. So you will get 11 and 11 into 2 by cross multiplication. So 11 into 2, 22. So n equal to 23. Now you take out the values of Sn, sum of the n terms. This is the general formula of Sn, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So put the value of n, a and d. Okay. Now calculation only. 23 by 2, 14 plus this, after subtraction we will get 22, 22 into 7 by 2. 22 and 2 is divided. So 11, 11 into 7, 77. After addition we will get here 91 and after multiplication 2093 by 2. And this is a fraction and you change into mixed fraction, that is 1046 and half answer. Okay. Same math next. 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to 10. So this is first term, this and 34 is the first term a1, a2 equal to 32 and an equal to 10. So d equal to a2 minus a1, that is 32 minus 34, that is minus 2, and an last term equal to 10. So find out n. So a1 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 10. Now I have put the values of a1 and d. Okay. Now n minus 1 into minus 2 equal to 10 minus 34 minus 24. And minus 24 is divided by minus 2. So we get 12. And n equal to 12 plus 1, 13. Now you write the formula of Sn, which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put the values of n, a and d. Okay. Now calculation. Only 68, 13 by 2 into 68 plus minus 24. So it will be 44. 13 by 2 into 44. So 13 into 22 because 44 is divided by 2. And answer is 286. Now next question. Minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 to minus 230. So a1 equal to minus 5, a2 equal to minus 8 and an equal to minus 230. So d equal to a2 minus a1 minus 8 minus minus 5. So minus 8 plus 5, that is minus 3. and an equal to minus 230. Show a1 plus n minus 1 into d equal to minus 230 and minus 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. D is negative, so I have put here within the bracket equal to minus 230. Now n minus 1 into minus 3 equal to minus 230 plus 5, which will be minus 2 to 5. Now minus 2 to 5 is divided by minus 3, so minus minus cancel and 75 3s are 2 to 5, so I have written here 75 and n equal to 75 plus 1 76. Now you write the formula of Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S76 equal to 76 by 2 into 2 into minus 5 plus 76 minus 1 into minus 3. So 38 after dividing, here minus 10, here 75 into minus 3, that is minus 225. And minus 225 minus 10, what we get? Minus 235. 38 into minus 235. Here minus will be, and after multiplication you will get 8930. Okay.